Good morning, students. I hope you are fit at your homes. Students, today we are going to discuss next topic of your chapter 4. So topic is applying borders and shading, and today date is 11th July 2020. And students, let's start. So to improve the appearance and legibility of the text, we can add a variety of border and shading effects to the paragraphs and the entire page. For example, if I have written some text on the document and I want to insert border and shading effects to that text, then I will take the help of borders and shading option. So it will insert or provide a variety of borders and shading effects to us, and according to our need we can choose any border and shading effect from there. So first step is how you can insert borders and shading effect. So first step is select the text and click on the drop down arrow next to the borders and shading button in the paragraph groups on the home tab. So you have to choose home tab, and in the paragraph group you will choose border and shading button. So this one is the border and shading button. So select the border and shading option from the displayed list. So when we will click on this, there is option at last, you can see from here, borders and shading. So we will select this option. So the border and shading dialog box appears as shown in the figure. So when we will choose this border and shading option, then there is dialog box will open, that is border and shading dialog box. So now set the border style. So here we can choose the border style कि हमने कौन सा स्टाइल लगाना है, डॉट स्टाइल लगाना है, सिंपल लाइन लगानी है, या हाइफन विद हाइफन सिंबल लगाना है हमने. So choose the box option under the settings section. Select the line style under the style list box. So here we can choose any style from the style. We can choose the color of the border also, and we can increase or decrease the width of the border also. So in the setting option we can choose any style. For example, we want to include border as a box, as a shadow, as a 3D box, and as a custom. So click on the drop down list of the color and select any color. So same as I have told to you, we can choose color also. So choose the line width from the width section and click on the drop down list of apply to section and select the paragraph option. So click OK and observe the change. And at last we have to choose the apply to section option, and then we will click on the OK button, and after that we will observe the change. So next topic and at last topic of your chapter is inserting cover page. How we can insert the cover page. For example, जैसे आप अपनी assignments बनाते हो तो assignment के लिए firstly आप क्या बनाते हो, उसका first page बनाते हो. That page is called cover page, जो first page होता है. So with the help of Microsoft Office Word, how you can make cover. So MS Word provide a gallery of pre-designed cover pages. To add cover page to your document, we have to follow these steps. So in the MS Word there are pre-designed cover pages. पहले से बने pre-designed cover pages वहाँ पे होते हैं. We can choose any cover page from there. So go to the insert tab in the pages group and select the cover page. So you have to choose the insert tab now, and in the pages group there is option cover page. So a built-in gallery of options will appear. Click on the desired cover page layout. The selected cover page will be applied to the document, and after that replace the sample text with your own text by clicking on the area of the cover page that is to be selected, such as title, subtitle, etc. So after choosing the cover page option, there are built-in gallery of options will appear, and we can choose desired cover page layout from there. The selected cover page will be applied to our document, and after that we can insert title and subtitle in our document. So as you can see from here, यहाँ पे इन्होंने क्या है, एक cover page बनाया हुआ है जहाँ पे borders भी लगाए हुए हैं. यहाँ पे title, subtitle we can insert. So in this way we can also insert cover page. So students, your chapter number 4 has finished now. So take care students, have a nice day.